Capital One Shopping Rewards. So if you want to know about Capital One Shopping Rewards, then what you need to do is just simply open the application. So you can see on your home screen itself there are various personalized deals, and here you can just simply select any deal that you're comfortable with, and in case you want to look out for the deals for different categories, then you just need simply open the option, and or you can also go with search, which will be on the top right, and then search for the categories and simply select any category that you're looking to purchase. Like for example, I'll just simply go with the trending product, which is a Gymshark critical cutoff tank. So I'll just simply click on the product, and it will show you various coupons, and you can just simply purchase the products using the coupons. As you can see that here you will have all of the coupons, so select any coupon that you are comfortable with and just go and purchase it. Once you click on it, it will show you the coupon. You'll be able to just use it, just activate it and click on the shop, then wait for it to load, and it will be activated. In this way you just need to have to shop normally, and you will be able to earn some rewards after the purchases. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.